Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on my RKT, the calls that I sold, I think last week. I did pick up $945 from selling these calls. More than likely, I will be purchasing these calls back by the end of the week. More than probably if they fall anywhere under $5, I'll probably be buying them back. And I will be selling more calls, I think, for February 12th, I'll be selling calls, I think. Probably 22 or 22 and a half for February 12th. Probably pick up like $1,000, anywhere between 700 and I think $1,000. If I sell 27, 22 and a half, I'll pick up about $1,100. And then I'll still be selling some Big C calls once those actually come down as well, because I do think they're going to be, Big C is going to stay low, going to stay flat. So I think that's probably what's going to happen. But yeah, just update you guys on this position. Last week, I picked up the 945s for RKT, and more than likely, I will be buying these back again anytime when they fall under $5 and selling the February 19th calls, I think. And then for the actual full position right now, total I am down about $8,400. My big position is, I think my total is 63,000 calls. You guys can see there, but I have been picking up a bunch of just selling calls like every single week, picking up a bunch of money and stuff. So overall, just selling calls on RKT, I've already made a couple $1,000s over the last couple months, but just updating you guys.